Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is SI Units Density Problems Lesson number 3. Density is defined as the amount of matter in a given space. It can be measured in grams per milliliter or grams per cubic centimeter, like this cube right here. Okay, remember the density formula is D equals M over V. The mass formula is M equals D times V, and the volume formula is V equals M divided by V, where D is density, M is mass, V is volume. Also remember that grams per milliliter equals grams per cubic centimeter, and 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. Now let's look at our problems here. Calculate the volume of 75 grams of each of the following substances. All right, so what do we know about sodium chloride? Well, we know that the density is 2.16 grams per cubic centimeter. We also know that our mass is 75 grams. Okay, and now we're looking for the volume. Well, we're going to use the volume formula, which is going to be V equals M over D, right? So V is going to be 75.0 grams divided by our density, which is 2.16 grams per cubic centimeter. Okay? So our volume is going to equal 34.72 cubic centimeters. We're going to cancel out those grams there. You could also call this 34.72 milliliters because 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, let's look at the second problem. We know the density of mercury, in this case, is going to be 13.6 grams per cubic centimeter. We know that the mass of mercury happens to be 75 grams. And now we want to know what the volume of that mercury would be. All right? So we're going to use our V equals M over D, problem like we did in the last one. Okay, so V equals our mass, which is 75.0 grams, divided by 13.6 grams per cubic centimeter. So our grams will cancel out, and our volume is going to be, of course, 5.51 cubic centimeters, or you could say 5.51 milliliters, because 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. Now our last problem deals with the element silver. Okay, we found the element silver to have a density of 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter. So let's write that down. D equals 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter, right? Our mass of our substance was 75.0 grams, and our volume is what we're looking for. Okay, well, let's set this up again. So we use the volume formula. V equals M over D. So V is going to equal 75.0 grams divided by our density, which is 10.5 cubic centimeters, right? Correct. All right, grams per cubic centimeter. Let's put that in there, make sure we got that. So grams are going to cancel out. Our V is going to be 7.14 cubic centimeters. Pretty snarly, huh? That 3 a little bit better. And we could also write this as 7 a little bit better. 7.14 milliliters. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.